Okay, welcome to my second recording. Um, this is another game by a clanmate of mine, Cannon Fodder. So let's start and see how we get on. This is the DZT 159, the rocket propelled medium. Chinese.
We're the Shelbys, and we always come back.
With Birmingham Chinese. Again, this is my first time watching the game, so that's a nice start there, Artie. Thanks very much. The map is so tight here, yeah. Yep. So Cannon Fodder is one of the founding members of the clan. He's been there since God was a boy. So, and he'd be one of the most experienced players, one of the top players in the clan. But, so we'll see what this tank is like. It's quite bouncy, I've found. It can be a little bit slow too, though, without the rocket. I was unlucky. I think he might have been on top of the mound. Obviously getting spotted by the AMBT. So yeah, just my second commentary. I haven't ventured to comment on one of my own games, so I have a couple that I have ready to be recorded. But I'm not sure if I'm up to recording some of my own rubbish games. Unlucky. Just got in time. So a bit of a slow start here. Plenty of targets, but none within range. Okay, so we got a big push on here. DZT might be in trouble. Is he gonna push? Is he gonna push? DZT's thinking hell. Okay, takes out the IS-22. Yeah, I think that's... Yeah, time to go. This is where this mechanic comes in very handy. It's for little spurts. XM was in a slower tank, you might have got a smack in the ass there. Oh, okay, KBZ.
That was a bit strong.
So, I think you're stuck here. So, let's see what you there's RT. Yeah, being a nuisance as always. So I've hyped them up now, so let's see if we can live up to it. Okay, good start. I'm our way. So 440 alpha, so nice high roller. Hopefully the XM turn side on, is he? Yeah. Oh, that was a bit of a misplay. Round two, lovely.
That's the hit we're after. That
So this
fire's gonna keep them busy.
Oh, lovely. So there's
£2 worth of change.
Part of his campaign missions.
Careful with that track. Send that one to Charlie's scrapyard. Track's being damaged.
Somewhere there's a British car factory missing a worker. That lovely Birmingham accent. Yeah. But yeah, I think this is one of his favorite tanks. And, he's had a few good games in this, I think. So let's see if we can have a little bit of a carry here. It's the Patriot on the right, AMET. Oh, get down. Lovely. That was nice. No camo on that tank, so
We were tracked down.
yeah, he's just letting the tracks repair and use up his kit. Good thinking.
All right, let's
G-Star
get a
on the
move
left. Ooh, watch your backside. Yeah. Nicely done.
Couldn't do it without your blessing. Went right through all that stuff.
And
Can't move no more. How'd you like
stunning.
that? The track's back. We can move again.
I would suspect the G-Star is on a
Went
reload.
right through all that steel.
Yep, he is. Well, he's not now, but I think he will be soon. He's going to use
This
one.
one's not getting away. We'll come back with a sweet surprise later. That's the hit we're after.
Hits well on the move.
Track's gone dodgy. We were tracked down.
Oh, Arty. Just ridiculous.
Let's go. Ready to take the shot. The hunt's
Let it
not
aim in.
over yet.
Arty's in again.
Sit down. We can't move no more. We were tracked down.
I think Arty are in A1 by the looks of it. Or certainly now, it might not be later, but depending on whether they find their W key. Okay, so 2 tanks down. Hit points fairly equal, so that means there's a lot of people on. Well, obviously at the moment. Oh yes, good time. Yeah, he's switching to regular. Oh, and
Nice job,
trolled.
lad.
Absolutely trolled. Oh, I don't know what he meant to use that or not. Was a bit of a misplay. Maybe prefers to hamper himself, not give himself any advantages. Okay, so that's DZT gone and the MBT gone. So there's 1 rocket left, 5 tanks, 2 RTs unspotted, and a Scorpion unspotted. So he knows where that Scorpion is. I'm assuming he was at the back. Okay, it's the Scorpion. He just, no he didn't, it was the KBZ. Took out the SU. So here we go. Can he take out the KPZ? Borsig's around here somewhere. Where's this Borsig? Okay. Oh, so we have a 5-on-1.
It was
5-on-4.
nice meeting you.
Or 4-on-1. 5-on-4. Jesus Christ. Okay, so where is this Borsig? Because you don't want to get smacked by that. Oh, here he is, and he has the big gun.
Straight through, no messing about.
And a snap on the move. Absolutely gorgeous, because you don't want to have to stop. And here's Artie, wanting to get involved. Obviously, thinks he's there's a shotgun on for him. I think this might be a misplay by Artie. Oh yes, it is.
That's the
Oh, I
hit
know.
there.
What did you leave him on? 5. Are you joking? 445. So you couldn't have just high rolled by another 5? That's ridiculous. Well, finished them off. Didn't take any damage, I don't think. Nope, didn't take any damage, so that's good. Scorpion to your left.
Went
Okay,
right through
good
all
load
that
on.
steel.
Good switch of ammo there. Oh, and low rolled again.
That was
Okay,
no big deal.
Ram was good. Okay, so we're down to the final 2. 1 RT, 1 PD. Okay, so probably best here. RT's safe, I think, at the moment. Probably best to get the.
We can't
Oh,
move
so
no
RT
more.
has moved. He's found his W key. He's been
can
trolling
move
them all
again.
game. Good idea. Okay, left.
Target locked.
Oh, honey cut
No
trucks.
need to rush.
Get
The
in there.
train's back. We're back on the move.
And there's Artie. Okay, where is this horse? Is he behind it? Is he behind the pole? Oh, it has a base on it, does it? Oh yeah, there's a rock formation. Good spot. Okay, maybe you go around the outside. Okay, has a chance. He's gonna take a hit from the horsing. Here we go. Doesn't expect them.
That was mercy.
And again, Artie won't have a shot from there. So now it's just... This is it. This is the one they all want, as they say. The one I don't have, actually. The Columbanos. I think Cannon Fodder has... Last time I looked, he had 4 or 5 of these. So... But it's nice to do it in a tier 9. Higher tiers are always harder to do it in. He's been lucky a couple of times, but I mean he's tried to stay front plate on as much as he could, absorb the damage. Okay, so Artie's decided to cap and show where he is. Okay. Ordinary shell loaded, he's not taking any chances of getting trolled. And there we go. Game over. Columbanos secured. Absolutely gorgeous. So, well done to Cannon Fodder. And there'll be no living with him now. My God, I'll have to listen to that. I mean, this game's gone back to July last year, and he's been at me to record this for months. So I hope he's happy. And well done. Only kidding. But well done. That's Columbanos is a very nice medal to get. Alright, so if you like this, if you find the commentary boring, if you like it, let me know. Subscribe, like, and thank you very much. See you again next time.